everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Kangaroo Has Too Much Stuff. It was lunchtime in the kangaroo house. Taking another bite of her salad, Cami thought about how much fun she was going to have at her cousin Savannah's party later that day. The room needs to be clean before we head to Savannah's party, Cami, Daddy Kangaroo reminded her. Okay, Cami sighed, and she was not excited to clean her room. Cami's room was full of treasures, rocks, shells, feathers, toys. Cami loved them all. She loved collecting them, sorting them, and building with them. Cami peeked inside her pouch and pulled out a brown button that had fallen in her sweater, a copper coin from Daddy, and chipped a blue block that she found in the yard. Cami said, what should I make with these? Her mind overflowed with ideas. How's it going, Cami? Mommy walked up the stairs. Is your room clean yet? We have to leave at 1 o'clock if we're going to be on time for the party. Cami groaned and started cleaning. What could be that? Ding, ding, ding! My favorite bell! Cami put the bell inside her pouch and slowly continued cleaning. Suddenly she gasped. So Hannah asked her to give back her stuffed puppy. She had to find it. She picked up the bucket of shells. Maybe Shannon's puppy was there. Cami dumped the shells. Nope. But did she find 2 pretty pink shells in that we quickly added to her pouch? Maybe the puppy was in the closet. Cami tugged at the door, but it didn't budge. Taking a deep breath, Cami yanked the door as hard as she could. She groaned. Ooh, she kicked out her legs and clambered her feet. I had to clean my room to find that puppy, she thought with a frown. As she hopped toward a pile of blankets, Cami heard her muffled ankle coming towards it. From beneath it, she began digging. Suddenly, her brother popped out. Oyat! Cami exclaimed, pulling him from the heap of blankets. Cami was showing Oyat some of her favorite rocks. When she heard the door open, she quickly slipped the rocks into her pouch. It's time to go, Daddy shoved the door open again and hopped inside, looked around the room with a frown. Cami, your room is even messier than before. I know, Daddy, but I've lost Santa's puppy. Well, what do you think we could do to find it quickly? So we're not late to the party, Daddy asked. Clean my room, Cami replied, feeling badly as she hadn't done it already. Cleaning your room will be overwhelming, Daddy said. Let's do one thing at a time. Together, Daddy made her bed and put her hair bows in her dresser drawer. Wyatt put Cami's books on her bookshelf and her dolls in the bin. As Cami was putting feathers into a little bowl on her desk, she spied something sticking out of the drawer. Look what I found, she said triumphantly. Phew, you must be so happy, Daddy said. I don't like losing those things, Cami admitted, especially when they belong to someone else. Like keeping my room clean will help me keep track of things. Cami was so proud. She had found Savannah's puppy. The room was finally clean. Is everyone ready to go? We're going to be late, Mommy called. Yes, I cleaned my room and I found Savannah's puppy. Cami stopped out and rummaged in. She rummaged inside her pouch to show Mommy. Oh no, she began to empty her pouch. Not again, she cried. I don't want to miss the party. Didn't you just have it, Daddy asked. Cami felt around inside her pouch again. Got it, she exclaimed with a rush. Let's go, Willie said. As they hopped into the car, Daddy tripped over some tools in the garage. Cami chuckled. Daddy maybe both of us need to keep our things more organized. You're right about that, Cami, Daddy Kangaroo laughed. I think it's safe to say this whole family has too much stuff. Mommy said, tomorrow we'll spend some time organizing, and let's get to that party. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!